short cabinet meeting. We had two agendas in this cabinet meeting. First agenda was renaming of roads, villages, etc. And there are a large number, approximately about 11 6 roads and about 2 locations were cleared. At the same time, there were new proposals that have come up, another 4 of them. So about total 10 roads were renamed, and two different buildings were also renamed. There's quite a large number of them. So you want me to go through all of them, all the names?
Yes, sir.
Or we'll send it to you later. Okay, I'll just give you a few of them so that there's some idea. So there were just some roads. For example, the approach road from National Highway 217 to Bakmara Bong Market. It's about 1.7 kilometers. This is in Bakmara, of course, to be renamed as Captain Williamson Sangma Road. Then also the Raitong building is proposed to be named as Shillong building. There's a proposal for the road from Sora Gate Nongsaulia via Saitsopen to Mosmai Road is proposed to be named as U. Thomas Jones Road. So like that, there were also proposals for naming of the road from Mokar Community College to Jayo. Mokar Community Hall, to Jayao Langshning Community Hall, approximately 800 meters, to be named as Dr. Hugh Gordon Roberts Road. Then the GNM School of Nursing Nongpo to be named as GNM School of Nursing Pahamsiam Nongpo. Similarly, there were some proposals that had come up. For example, the road in Tura from the PA Sangma Road going towards the Holy Cross Hospital, which was earlier named as the Holy Cross Road, will be named as Bishop Mamalasari Road, late Bishop George Mamalasari Road. That also has been finalized. This, of course, is in memory of late Bishop Mama, who was the person who had conceptualized the Holy Cross Hospital, and of course it's in memory of him. So this road is being named from Holy Cross Hospital Road to Bishop George Mamalasari Road. So like that, there are many other roads that are there. So we'll send the whole list to all of you. It will take too much time for me to go through all the details. Agenda was regarding the clearance of the project proposal given by Varun Beverages Limited. This is the company that runs the PepsiCo plants, and this is a proposal of 200 crore plant in terms of the Pepsi products, and an additional 100 crores investment in terms of fruit pulp and fruit juice investment in the same campus. And this is a proposal of total of 300 crores of investment. The plant is being proposed to put up in the Mendipathar industrial area. And the cabinet decision or cabinet meeting was to clear customized incentives, which as per the Meghalaya industrial policy of 2024, we have provisions where investments over 100 crores, certain special incentives can be given. And this is again in line with what many other state governments have done. So in this line, we have also decided to support this particular customized incentive as per the policy of the state government. And in this, an amount of close to 30% more capital investment subsidy, which they had requested over and above the normal amount that is given. Another additional amount of 30% more is being added to that capital subsidy. So the 7.5 crores is a capital subsidy, and an additional 5 crores is being proposed, where the demand from the company was about close to 40 crores of investment. They had asked for capital investment, but it's been reduced to, as I said, to 5 crore. Second was the incentive they had requested for interest subvention. Again, this is in line with what many other state governments do, and we have agreed to give 2% interest subvention in this. At the same time, the GST amount that is there, which normally there is a reimbursement of the GST. Again, it's in line with the Unnati scheme and also with the schemes from other state governments, where the reimbursement was asked for about 300%. We have reduced that, and we have agreed to a 200% investment or return of the SGST. That means the state GST tax collection that takes place. In other states, the amount goes up to even 300%. So we had brought it down and agreed to 200%. So these were the few incentives that we had agreed on giving to them additionally over and above the normal incentives which we are giving to other plants. As I said, this is a special category because it's investment over 100 crores. It's a 300 crore plant. Important thing to remember also in this is that not only will they start packaging the Pepsi products out here, but they will also be having a plant and a line to produce local pineapple as well as other juice using their local fruits that are available in the state, and that will be a great advantage for the state. Another condition that we have put in this particular project is that 90% of the non-managerial staff has to be local, and the managerial staff within the next 2 years, they will have to have minimum of 50% of managerial staff also locally from the state, starting with 25% in the first 2 years, but after 2 years, 50% of the managerial staff also has to be local, and the non-managerial staff from day one, 90% should be local. So these were the conditions that were put by the state government, and also, as I said, the condition that a plant should also be put up to support the local produce and other local products to help the farmers. So this was the second decision that was made today.